जय गुरु जी। जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, अनंतम अनंतम शुक्राना गुरु जी। ओम नमः शिवाय, शिव जी सदा सहाय। ओम नमः शिवाय, गुरु जी सदा सहाय। जय गुरु जी संगत जी। My journey with Guruji started in maybe when I was 10 years old. That is around 1995 or 96. I am from the तो मैं my father used to first go to Guruji's mandir, and then he started taking us also. मैं मेरे brothers, मेरी mother, हम सब जाते थे. So my memories of first time meeting Guruji is as a very young boy. And तब जलंधर मंदिर नहीं होता था. There used to be a small house in New Jawaharnagar. So on that, I mean, people who are from Jalandhar can relate where it is. So वहाँ पे उस घर में गुरुजी होते थे. So what I remember was कि जब मैं पहली बारी उधर गई हूँ तो बहुत सारी संगत बैठी हुई थी. And when we enter, and in the end I see a very young boy, very thin, frail young boy sitting, and my father says कि गुरुजी है मत्था टेको. So हमने उनको मत्था टेका and जाके उधर बैठ के. So स्टील के ग्लासेस में अमृत आता था. We used to drink there. बैठते थे थोड़ी देर and that's it. That's all. But गुरुजी जब अमृत देते थे तो आई हैव सीन हिम कि वो अपनी 3 फिंगर्स उसमें डाल के फिर अपनी आईज बंद करके ही यूज्ड टू देन पुट ही हैड अ रुद्राक्ष की माला इन हिज गले में. तो वो गुरुजी उसमें डिप करते थे और सबको अमृत पिलाते थे. So these are my memories as a childhood when I've met Guruji for the first time. उसके बाद भी many times we have gone to Guruji there, but obviously I don't remember any conversation with him. I just know that I used to see him there. We used to go. It had become a routine. Like we used to go very often to meet Guruji, and we were blessed कि गुरुजी ने हमारे घर भी आए हैं. And we were blessed that Guruji had dinner at our house. So that is also another blessing to our house, that Guruji came to that house. After that, the connection with Guruji, I don't know because how it got lost or how we stopped going to Guruji. This happened. Then during this while, I used to go to my school, and on this way to my school is Jalandhar Mandir. So there are many times when we have crossed that area. तो कितनी बारी मैंने गुरुजी को बाहर खड़े देखा है, because उस time कोई स्कूल बसेस तो होती नहीं थी. We used to go in rickshaws or school buggies. So I have seen him, and many a time seeing him, I used to wonder why we stopped meeting him. क्या हुआ? Like obviously I knew Guruji, I used to recognize him, but I always used to wonder कि क्या हुआ? Why we don't go to him anymore? Yeah, why we don't meet him anymore? These were the things which would always play on my mind. So 2011 and beginning of 2012, I got connected again to Guruji. How I got connected is that my mother-in-law was quite unwell, and वो almost 2-3 महीने से मैक्स में एडमिट थी. एक कोई ना कोई प्रॉब्लम उनकी आती जा रही थी. So I mean, so it was like doctors were saying she would stay there more. So मेरी एक friend है, उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि she just called me one day that I'll take you. मेरे गुरुजी हैं, वो हील करते हैं एंड सब ठीक होगा, तो मेरे साथ चल मंदिर. I said, ठीक है. So we were going to Guruji's mandir. And on the way, I was wondering what's wrong with her. सारे रास्ते इसने लाइक जब हम बैठे हैं कार में तो इसने शब्द कीर्तन लगाया. सो आई वाज वंडरिंग कि ये इसने कब से शब्द कीर्तन सुनना शुरू कर दिया. लाइक दिस इज अ थॉट व्हिच केम टू अ माइंड. सो व्हाइल on my journey to Bade Mandir, she was telling me multiple satsangs about Guruji, how her family got connected, how various satsangs of Guruji she was sharing with me. तब मैंने उसको बोला, मैं कहा तू मुझे एक बारी दिखा तो सही कि ये गुरुजी है कौन जिनके बारे में तू बोल रही है. सो उसके पर्स में गुरुजी का स्वरूप था. शी टुक आउट द स्वरूप एंड शी शोड इट टू मी. शी सेड ये है गुरुजी. तो गुरुजी ने तो अभी चोला छोड़ दिया इन 2007, but still there is so much of blessings there, and Guruji is a healer. He will heal uh, auntie pakka. I said, ठीक है. The moment she showed me Guruji's Swaroop, I told her I've met him. She said, how is it possible? I said, no, I have met him. I just know one thing, that I've met him as a kid. She said, नहीं teko you must be confusing with someone else. क्योंकि पंजाब में तो सब लोग इधर उधर कहीं ना कहीं कभी किसी संत के जाते, कभी किसी ने. Maybe you are confusing him with someone else. I said, no, I've met him because I cannot forget these eyes. Because when I met him as a kid, I remember the only thing which I could connect so much with Guruji's was his eyes. His eyes were so different. His eyes had so much of power that आपको normal बंदे में मैंने वो चीजें देखी ही नहीं है. मतलब आप एक बारी आप गुरुजी की तरफ जब आप देखते थे, so his eyes were very different. They had so much of power. Obviously I had seen him as a young boy, and up Guruji after so many years. Still, I told her, I said, no, I have met him because I can never in my life forget these eyes ever in my life. So she said, Acha. And then I started telling her that where we used to go and meet Guruji and all. So she said, okay, हाँ ये जलंधर से ही है. Then she told me. And फिर हम गुरुजी के मंदिर गए, मत्था टेका. उस दिन मंडे का दिन था. So we had our samosa prasad, laddu prasad, chai prasad. We came back home. As soon as I came back home, I called up my father. I said, do you know we used to go to Guruji, and he is I went to his mandir. He said, yeah. He told me, he said, हाँ मैंने पता है कि दिल्ली विच उन्हां दा बड़ा बड़ा मंदिर है. So I asked him, I said, why did we stop going to him? He said, I don't know. He said, even I don't know why we stopped going to him, but then he started telling me कि नहीं गुरुजी blessed us a lot. थोड़ा बहुत उन्होंने बताया कि कैसे उनकी क्या क्या conversations थी गुरुजी से. That's all. How गुरुजी blessed my grandfather, because my grandfather जब उस टाइम वो गुरुजी से मिले थे, so he had a lot of body aches and all. बड़ा मुश्किल हो रही थी उनको, वो शाहपुर में रहते थे. तो my father had specially called him to Jalandhar to meet गुरुजी. वहां पे जब वो गुरुजी को मिले थे, गुरुजी blessed him. गुरुजी ने उन्हें अमृत दिया. So that day, I mean, my father said कि आपको कार वापस छोड़ आएगी हुशियारपुर. He said नहीं, मैं बस पे जाऊंगा, मैं सब ठीक लग रहा है. And after that, all his body aches were healed after meeting Guruji. This is one satsang of my grandfather after meeting Guruji. So then this is how my journey with Guruji started again. But very honestly, after going to Guruji's mandir, I definitely used to go there. I took my husband also, I took my Masi also, but कोई उनका connection नहीं हुआ. Then I started taking kids. मेरे बच्चों को बड़ा अच्छा लगता था गुरुजी के मंदिर जाना, and वो इसलिए भी लगता था because they used to love the samosa and the laddu prasad. छोटे छोटे थे, obviously all they would say was कि हम किस दिन जाएंगे मम्मी, उस मंदिर जाएंगे जिस दिन जहाँ पे लड्डू प्रसाद और समोसा प्रसाद मिलता है. So this was the reason we started going to Guruji's मंदिर again. कितनी बारी मैं अपनी फ्रेंड जो मुझे लेके गई थी, सपना है उनका नाम, सो वो मुझे लेके गई थी, उनके साथ भी मैं जाती थी. गुरुजी ने कितनी बारी उधर सेवा भी प्रदान की है कि मतलब कैसे वहां बैठे हुए कभी कभी छोटी छोटी सेवा भी मिल जाती थी. सो दीज वर ऑल ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ गुरुजी विच वी गॉट देयर. And even beyond going there, I always, being a Sardani, I had a lot of belief in Bangla Sahib. So one day, when I was entering Bangla Sahib, I said, Guruji, I want to, मैं इन्ना ताड़े ते विश्वास करती हूँ, but I have started going to Guruji's मंदिर. I don't know whether it is right or wrong, but can you give me an answer for this? Like, am I doing the right thing? So that day what happened कि आप बंगला साहब जो लोग गए हैं, जब आप मत्था टेक के पीछे की तरफ जाते हो जहाँ सुखासन साहब होता है, वहां सब मत्था टेकते हैं. आप कभी भी उधर मत्था टेको, आपको कभी भी आप मत्था टेकोगे, आप नोटिस करोगे आपको लोगों के चरणों की स्मेल आती है, या मतलब आपको नहीं आता. दैट डे जब मैं उधर मत्था टेकने गई, सो द मोमेंट मैंने मत्था टेका है, देयर वाज सच अ स्ट्रॉन्ग स्मेल ऑफ रोजेस which you never get, and I got my answer. Even जबकि थोड़े दिन पहले फिर मैं बंगला साहब गई थी, मैं कहा चलो मैं दोबारा टेस्ट करती हूँ कि what I felt that day, is it true or not? But honestly speaking, there was no smell of roses that day. But when I wanted my answer from my Guruji, that am I doing the right thing, going to Guruji's mandir, I got my answer that day. So from that day, I believe there was no looking back. The connection for Guruji with Guru was made. But I wouldn't say a very strong connection. It would be a connection कि हाँ हो रहा है, जा रहे हैं, बीच बीच में बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कनेक्शन भी हो जाता, बीच बीच में लाइक इट वाज नॉट टोटली कि आपने अपने आप को गुरुजी पे छोड़ दिया, नहीं, वैसी बात नहीं थी. 2016 वी मूव टू कुवैत. कुवैत में मुझे हमें जो घर मिला, when we entered the house, so the lady who was leaving the house, she had Guruji's swaroop. So the moment we saw that, my husband said, you know, my wife is a believer of Guruji. So then we both started sharing our satsang. But then I felt so blessed. I said, Guruji, thank you so much. This house has already been blessed by you. That is why you are getting us this house. So I think it's a blessing of Guruji that we got to stay in this house where previously Guruji's Sangat was staying. So this is also a blessing of Guruji. So after coming to Kuwait, मेरी इधर मुझे सबसे पहले सत्संग पे जो इनवाइट वो आया, and from there I regularly started going for satsang, and my connection with I would say Guruji became more and more stronger. मल्टीपल सत्संग्स हैपन, मल्टीपल छोटी छोटी चीजें हुई रोज की, जो आप सोचते हो गुरुजी आपके लिए करके देते थे, कहाँ कहाँ वो ब्लेस करते थे, कहाँ कहाँ उन्होंने हिम्मत दी. दैट इज इवन बियॉन्ड वर्ड्स टू एक्सप्रेस द ब्लेसिंग्स ऑफ गुरुजी. So it was in 2021 that I first had a satsang at our house, and I would just say that after everyone had left, I was sitting with Guruji, and I just had tears in my eyes. I just felt so much of blessings of Guruji that जो कि आप बयान नहीं कर सकते. So my connection with Guruji had been made, and how he blessed me, getting me a job in Kuwait. He knew how much I wanted to work. How he made all that happen. That is, I would say very. It is very difficult. It was very difficult for me to get a job. And कैसे गुरुजी ने जरिया बनाया, क्या बनाया, मुझे काम दिलाया, वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी गुरुजी की ब्लेसिंग है. I was connected, but if I say my family was connected, no, my family was not connected. Like neither my kids nor my husband, nobody was connected to Guruji. But Guruji कहते हैं चलो एक बंदा आ गया, सारी family आ गई. So I used to go with that feeling. My son had gone to a college in US. So he had some problems. So he was a little unwell. So उसको थोड़ा जल्दी आना पड़ा. He had given all his exams and he was graded, but just one exam was left for which he needed to be graded. So when he came back, he was really stressed कि मम्मा एक exam के पीछे मुझे लगता है कि I might lose my time or my semester because of this, or if she doesn't give me a good grade, then it will be very difficult for me. So he was under a lot of stress. So I told him, can you pray to Guruji? So he was a little shocked. He said, why is my mama sick? I said, listen, Agam, you have to start praying to Guruji because I think he can answer your questions or whatever you need to know. So, I mean, ये भी नहीं कि उसने एक बारी में सुना. Multiple times I had to tell him. So he had gone to the gym. अपना जिम में वो एक्सरसाइज करते ऐसे करते. Although he was listening to the music, but still बीच में like he took a break and he was like, he was just sitting there and he said, Guruji, the thing is this, like what he tells me is that he says, my mother really believes in you. And she says that I should talk to you and I should believe in you. Show me a sign that I should believe in you. So what happened ki from the gym when he came back, तो इसने जिम जाने से पहले अपनी उस टीचर को ईमेल लिखी थी कि I have done very well in all my quizzes and all, and this is a medical problem that I'm facing and I've even submitted the certificate for it. Would it be possible for you to grade me according to that? So इसने ये ईमेल लिखी थी उनको. And normally जो वहाँ पे teachers हैं, they take their time to reply and all that. इतनी जल्दी नहीं आता. He came back and जैसे ये वापस आया, इसने आके ईमेल खोली, तो इसकी टीचर का रिप्लाई आया हुआ था. The teacher had graded him according to his previous grades and given him A+. So which was very strange for a kid to get be graded according to the previous whatever quizzes he had attended or whatever marks he had got according to the previous quizzes. So that was a miracle for him. So that's the day, that's the journey, how my son got connected to Guruji. Until now, I believe his faith in Guruji is immense, and he's totally, I would say, उसके बाद से उसने अपने आप को गुरुजी को सौंप दिया. So in between ये भी है कि गुरुजी ने मेरे को, मैं ज़्यादा honestly, I just talk to Guruji, I do my mantra jap off and on, but I won't say that I was very regular with everything. पर कैसे गुरुजी ने एक मौका देना शुरू किया कि गुरुजी अपने आप मेरे को रात को 2-2:30 बजे जगा देते थे. Like it happened with me for about 4-5 days. I woke up. Then I realized maybe Guruji is waking me up because he wants me to pray at that time. So वही हुआ, गुरुजी ने कैसे ये शुरू कराया कि अपने आप ही रात को 2-2:30 बजे नींद खुल जाती थी. बैठ के I used to do my mantra jap. And not only do the mantra jap, there was a time that I would sit and I would even talk to Guruji. I would talk my problems to Guruji and I would just go to sleep. So इस टाइम में क्या हुआ कि मेरी मदर इन लॉ इंडिया में थी. उनकी तबीयत काफी खराब हो गई थी. She was in the hospital. So she had a heart problem and my husband was there with her. So off and on there were complications which were coming, but she was getting better. So during this time, one of these nights, I just remember that while I was sleeping, I felt that somebody is sitting with me on the bed. and I was sitting and talking to him. It was none other than Guruji. So Guruji मुझे कहते हैं कि मैं तेरी सास नू लैन आया, and I was like, Guruji, how is this possible? And I just know that I'm howling and I'm saying, Guruji, you just can't do this. आप ये चीज बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते. Because you know that my husband is so attached to him. ये पूरी फैमिली टूट जाएगी अगर आप मम्मी को लेके जाओगे. Like we'll all be shattered, and he only has mom. You can't take her away, Guruji. This cannot happen. It is like मेरी इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग उस टाइम, लाइक मैं लिटरली गुरुजी के साथ लड़ रही हूँ. ये भी नहीं कि मैं बात कर रही हूँ. आई एम आर्ग्यूइंग विद गुरुजी कि गुरुजी आप ऐसे कर ही नहीं सकते. आप ऐसे कैसे सोच सकते हो कि आप उनको लेके जाओगे. आप ये कर ही नहीं सकते गुरुजी. आपको पता नहीं क्या हालत होगी. आपको ये मेरा एंड दिस ऑल आई जस्ट टॉक टू गुरुजी. एंड उसके बाद this is how my conversation with Guruji ended. And उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि the very in next day or a day after, mom was being discharged. So my husband बहुत ही वो खुश थी. मतलब आसपास अपने नर्सेस, शी वाज अ डॉक्टर, सो वो आसपास नर्सेस से बातें बूतें भी कर रही थी कि अच्छा क्या लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन, सब बिल्कुल ठीक था. एंड माय हस्बैंड हैड ऑलमोस्ट मेक द डिस्चार्ज पेपर्स एंड ही वाज गेटिंग एवरीथिंग रेडी टू टेक हर होम. उसी टाइम जो उनकी हेल्पर थी, शी जस्ट saw something happen to mummy, and she just called the nurse, and the doctors took her to ICU usi time. She was in ICU after that. She was not recovering, and there was a time jab doctors ne hame kaha ki would you like to put her on a ventilator, but we said nahi, let's go ahead with the BiPAP because we wanted her lungs to function on her own. We wanted her to fight it out and work it on her own. So they said theek hai. But there was a time when they told her that it's better that if you are going for these things, you better shift her home. Sari cheezein accordingly they'll become like you get those kind of setups. Wahan pe she can be taken care at home. So we shifted mom home, and घर पे ही there was a nurse and she was being taken care of. सब कुछ I won't say was going very good, but it was going okay. So during this time I traveled to Dubai for my meeting, and so one of my nights there I get a dream that that I'm somewhere and I can see those known to people who are there, and there is the Guruji ka darbar. I just entered the darbar, and udhar bahut sangat बैठी हुई है. And when I go to Guruji, Guruji tells me to zara बाहर आ मेरे नाल, मैं तेरे नाल जरूरी गल करनी है. So he takes me out and we sit there, and Guruji कहंदे देख हुन बहुत हो गया, मैं हुन ਉਹਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ, मैं तेरी सस ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੁਣਨੀ. Like this is the way. Now this time he was being very strong that I'm not going to listen to you and I'm just taking her. And then he even told me, he said एक गल होर मैं तेनू कहना चाह रहा कि तेरे प्यो दी तबीयत ज्यादा ठीक नहीं है, ठीक है, अपने प्यो दा ध्यान रख. So this is all he said, and this was all my dream with him. So I just woke up immediately. I got very scared. I called up my sister. She was in Canada at that time. I told her that this is the dream that I had, and I was like very scared. Like, what do you say? She said, "Dekh, baat ye hai ki don't think it like this. Maybe it is like, she is unwell. Maybe us time हमें dreams भी ऐसे आते हैं. Don't worry about that." That night I flew back to Kuwait, and I think मैं शाम को पहुंची हूँ, and the very next morning around 4 o'clock Kuwait time, my husband called me that we are losing her, and which was very shocking. And we lost mom, and That's it. But from all this, Sangaji, what I got to know is ki there was a time when Guruji came in my dream first time to take her, and I fought with him, and I told him no. The thing was happened was that during this time, what mom suffered was too much. उनको कंटिन्यूसली इतने इंजेक्शंस लगते थे, कंटिन्यूस ड्रिप लगता था, बाईपैप मशीन लगती थी. There was so much of tests being conducted. There was so much of suffering that she was undergoing. And the suffering that she was undergoing, it was very difficult for my husband to see, because every day he would see her suffering, which would make him suffer more. So this incident of Guruji made me realize one thing, कि गुरुजी ने जो हमारे लिए प्लान किया ना, या जो गुरुजी ने बोला है, हमें वो मानना चाहिए. जैसे पंजाबी में कहते हैं, पाना मनना आना चाहिए. I mean, जबरदस्ती नहीं हमें कुछ गुरुजी से लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो जबरदस्ती ने शायद increase the suffering of my mother-in-law, increase the suffering of my husband as well. So one thing that this thing taught me, कि जो गुरुजी आपके लिए सोचते हैं, जो गुरुजी आपके लिए करते हैं, वो बड़ा सोच समझ के करते हैं, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि क्या भलाई हमारे लिए, हमें नहीं पता. हमें we just think for जो हमें आज के दिन के लिए अच्छा है. We don't think कि जो आगे हमारे लिए क्या अच्छा है, गुरुजी कितना दूर तक हमारे लिए सोचते हैं. This is what this made me realize. So Jai Guruji. There are many times Guruji has, there are multiple satsangs. How there's an incident. I was going, I used to visit one office for a meeting very regularly. So every time I was denied a meeting. So I go for that meeting and मैं बड़े dishearteningly I park my car and I'm like, this won't go through, but anyways, I'm doing my duty. Suddenly, there's somebody who knocks on my window, and when I look at the person, I am shocked. And in Arabic, that person is saying something called safar, and asking for something. Safar in Arabic means that the person wants to travel. So, and I look at the person. I'm a dentist, so क्या होता है ना, जो डेंटिस्ट है उनकी नजर हमेशा दांतों पे जाती है. And I look at that person and I look at him. I said, "Oh, इसके दांत तो बिल्कुल गुरुजी के जैसे." And he's smiling also like Guruji. And then I look at his face and I feel it's Guruji. And I just get out of my car and I'm like. And immediately from my mouth it comes, Jai Guruji, oh Guruji, aap ho. And I know this man needs some money to, what he's trying to say is he wants to go suffer, he needs some money. I just open up my bag, jo mere haath mein hota hai, I give it to him. And then I just turn and I close my car, I take out my file, I close the door and I turn back and there is no one. I was shocked. And मैं उसके बाद there was a platform. I stood on that also because it was a car parking and खुली car parking थी. अगर कोई person उधर हो, आप बड़े आराम से उसको trace कर सकते हो. I look all around. I can't see that person. I immediately called my friend in India. I said, this is the thing which happened with me. Do you think it's Guruji? She said, 100% it is Guruji. He's come and he's met you. I told her, I said, bilkul Guruji ki shakal, because there was not even 1% difference. Uske baad, I go upstairs for my meeting, and for a change, I am called to meet the head, and my meeting goes very well. So, this is all, I would say, Guruji's blessing. And I think I'm blessed to meet Guruji. That's all I can say. So there, ये तो एक इंसिडेंस है जहाँ पे गुरुजी को मैंने देखा है. But there are multiple times when I'm driving. There are so many times Guruji is blessed, Guruji is saved. आज से थोड़े दिन पहले का सत्संग है. लाइक माय कार वाज गिविंग मी प्रॉब्लम एंड टेम्परेचर उसका ना फ्लक्चुएट करता था. सो आई वाज ड्राइविंग एंड कुवैत में गर्मी भी बहुत होती है. So I was driving my car and my husband was in India. So I just called him up. I said, listen, the temperature iska rise kar raha hai and I'm very scared. He said, नहीं नहीं तू वहम मत कर ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So normally temperature 75 तक रहता है. While I was driving, the temperature की जो needle है, it touched 120. I got so scared. I just did my mantra. I said, Guruji, मुझे पता है कि ये गाड़ी का टेम्परेचर बढ़ता जा रहा है, पर मुझे ये नहीं पता कि मैं गाड़ी रोकूं कैसे, क्योंकि ये रोड पे गाड़ियां बहुत तेज चल रही हैं. प्लीज मुझे आप ठीक ठाक घर पहुंचा दो. मैं फिर ये गाड़ी टच नहीं करूंगी, पर प्लीज गुरुजी ये कर दो. आई स्वेयर संगत जी, कैसे वो टेम्परेचर विद इन 2-3 मिनट्स नीचे आनी शुरू हो जाती है वो सुई, एंड कैसे गुरुजी सेफली ही मेड मी रीच होम. I mean, it's a miracle only because wait, the temperatures are very high. उस दिन at least बाहर का temperature 50-52 degree centigrade था कुवैत का. But जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी, how he got me safely back home. This is all Guruji's blessing. Another satsang I would like to share is of my son. मेरी आदत क्या है कि जब भी मैं कहीं भी अपने काम पे या कहीं भी गाड़ी में जाती हूँ, I put on a satsang. I was listening to a satsang. This satsang was about one of the sangats, like how her son was in an engineering college and how he had a lag in his like 1 year का lag हो गया, and कैसे the child was getting depressed, the child was facing problems and this and all. So I was listening to her satsang and how she got him connected to Guruji. ये सब she was talking about. So I was like, when I parked my car, I said, Guruji, आप सत्संग तो बड़े सुनाते हो, पर इसका मीनिंग क्या है? So anyways, I just एक दिमाग में थॉट आई थी कि गुरुजी ये क्या समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. So थोड़े दिनों बाद my son was supposed to travel to US for his next semester. So the fees was paid, everything was ready, his luggage was packed, everything. The thing was, he was on a waiting list of one of the subjects and he was not meeting the requirement to get a visa to travel. But he was on a waiting list. Normally आपका आ जाता है. So the day जिस दिन उसकी फ्लाइट थी, उस दिन भी उसका क्लियर नहीं हुआ. So we thought, okay, हम टिकट पोस्टपोन कर देते हैं. So about till 10 days we waited, but he ultimately got a message that he'll have to miss this semester. So this really hit my son. He got really tense and he got very sick. For a month, he was so sick that there were the times that he would not even get up from the bed, and he would have fever also. And then one day, I इन्हीं चीजों में उससे कितनी बारी बात होती थी, and I used to tell him, Agam, Guruji there is a plan. Guruji has something. That is why he stopped you. He said, every night when I do my mantra jap, I just ask him one thing only, that why me, Guruji? I really wanted to go and finish these subjects for this semester. Why, Guruji? Why? Why you didn't let me go? He said, every night, Mama, I pray. Every night I ask him. It is not that I'm losing faith on him, but I want an answer. So normally US में क्या होता है, the kids, normally they plan their trips beforehand only कि ये हमारी, there are fixed set of holidays. So he had those holidays and he said he was supposed to travel to LA during those holidays. So इसके सारे friends travel कर रहे थे. So one morning when I get up, for my work, and I see Agam is on a call and he's in a very panicked mode and everything, and then and I asked him what happened. He said, just wait, and he comes to me and he said, you know what, Mama? I said, what happened? He said, Guruji gave an answer. I said, what? I was shocked. He said, Mama, what happened? I was supposed to go for this trip to LA. he said just a little while ago, they are a group of friends who travel together. He said जब भी हम ट्रैवल करते हैं तो हम वी हायर अ कार, तो देयर फिक्स है कि हम 3 बच्चे पीछे बैठते हैं और 2 बच्चे आगे होते हैं, और 3-4 जो पीछे बैठते हैं वी आर. He said Mama, in LA their car has been hit very badly पीछे से by some another vehicle, and all these kids are being rushed to the hospital. And these kids had multiple injuries. किसी की कॉलर बोन फ्रैक्चर हुई, किसी की ribs में, किसी की बैक पे लगी है. He said, Mama, they're all in hospital. He said, Mama, I'm feeling very bad for all of them. But then I think Guruji didn't send me from this for this semester, because I am 100% sure I was one of the persons in that car, and I am the one who sits behind. I would have been one of them. So he said, actually Guruji saved me. So Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji. From that day on, the stress, I would say the mental stress that my son had about not attending the semester, actually he became like he got his answer from Guruji that actually made him believe more and more in Guruji. So this is how Guruji saves us. I mean, we didn't understand the process then. We just had one question: why not? Why not? Why he only not got the subject? Why he was in the waiting list? Why his waiting list not clear? We had all these questions for Guruji, but Guruji actually knew what was going to happen in another 2 months with him. So that is what Guruji protected him. So this is all blessings, I would say, and all, I would say it is all Guruji's, I would say, कृपा on us, कि वो कहाँ कहाँ किस तरीके से हमें बचाते हैं वो हमें पता भी नहीं. So like I was talking about Guruji's dream, Guruji told me that I should, my father's health is not proper. So I told this to my father. My father was having a kidney problem. So one day my brother calls me and he tells me that he's not that well. His creatinine levels are pretty high, so we don't know. He might have to go for dialysis. He might have to go for. I mean, they were even thinking of a transplant, but to have a kidney transplant at his age is not feasible. But still, they were trying their best, whatever they can do. So I just called up my dad and I was crying and I was just telling him, I said, I just told my father, I said, Papa, आप तो इतने ज्यादा आप गुरुजी के पास गए हो, आप क्यों नहीं जलंधर मंदिर जाना शुरू करते, आप क्यों नहीं गुरुजी से बात करते. You were the one who got us, who took us to Guruji. Why don't you talk to him? So while conversing with my dad told me, कहते तेनू पता है कि Guruji had given me a part to do it when I had met him, and when he gave me, he told him कि गुरु ग्रंथ साहब जी के ये पन्ने पे ये वाला पार्ट है भाई त्रिलोचन सिंह जी का, ये तो करना शुरू कर. He said उस टाइम मैंने किया, but my father, when Guruji told him, my father actually came back and we have the Beer Sahib in our house, so he checked on that panna कि वो कौन सा कि ये भाई त्रिलोचन सिंह जी की बानी है, and it was actually that same part that Guruji had told him. So then my father, from that day on, he said कि मैंने तो ये पाठ करना बंद कर दिया था, but now I realize why he wanted me to do the part. So my father started doing that part again. He developed his connection again with Guruji. Whenever my father gets an opportunity, he does visit Guruji's mandir in Jalandhar. And he said, now I realize why he gave me this part, why he wanted me to do this part. So, Jai Guruji, I would say, I'm not saying that कि आज my father is very healthy या वो उनका dialysis हो रहा है. उनका सब ट्रीटमेंट्स हो रहे हैं, पर कैसे डायलिसिस जो कि शायद बहुत पहले होना था, गुरुजी ने उसको एटलीस्ट 1-1.5 साल डिले किया। गुरुजी इस सब में भी गुरुजी ट्राइज टू सेव हिम फ्रॉम ऑल द कॉम्प्लिकेशंस। बड़ी मेहर करते हैं गुरुजी। ही इज एक्टिव to attend his clinic, take care of his patients, everything. So this is all blessings of Guruji, I would say. I would just like to say कि हम लोग इस कलयुग में रहते हैं, and there are so many wrong things, so many bad things happening around us. There are so many bad people around us, and there are people who do a lot of wrong things which affect us. And बहुत रिश्ते आपके बनते हैं, बहुत रिश्ते आपके टूटते भी हैं. There are many times I have lost a lot of good relationships in my life. And these were the things which were really disturbing me. Disturbing me to the core कि I would just keep on thinking about that कि क्यों गुरुजी ऐसे क्यों मेरे साथ, मैं तो इस रिलेशनशिप से इतना अच्छा किया, ये किया. बट फिर गुरुजी का मैसेज आता है कि शायद वो हमारी जिंदगी में कुछ लोगों को इसलिए निकालते हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि आगे जाके पता नहीं कितनी इनने हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम्स खड़ी करनी है. So I would say this message came, which gave me an answer to a lot of things, because eventually I got to know that certain people which have been taken out from my life were into a lot of wrong doing things which could have affected me more to be associated with them. So that's how I say Guruji protects you all the time. गुरुजी ने आज मुझे, मेरे में इतनी हिम्मत नहीं होती थी, मैं एक बहुत ही सिंपल, जल्दी डरने वाला पर्सन, एंड इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता था कि मैं बहुत चीजें जिंदगी में ऐसी करूं जो मैं आज कर पाई हूं. But ever since I've been associated with Guruji, Guruji has given me a lot of strength. गुरुजी ने इतनी ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ दी है मुझे कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई मेरा साथ नहीं है. The thing is, he is such a fatherly figure. He's everything. He gives you so much of strength. उन्होंने मेंटली आपको इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर दिया होता है कि आपको लगता है कि जब आप किसी भी जगह जा रहे हो, आपके साथ कोई आपकी सपोर्ट, आपकी ढाल बन के चल रहा है, आपका कोई हाथ थाम के चल रहा है. सो गुरुजी ने जिंदगी में इतनी ज्यादा स्ट्रेंथ दे दी है, इतना ज्यादा प्यार भी दे दिया है, इतना ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस भी दे दिया है. मैं ये नहीं कह रही कि गुरुजी के साथ एसोसिएट होने के बाद योर लाइफ विल बी हंकी डोरी, एवरीथिंग विल बी परफेक्ट. नहीं, प्रॉब्लम्स आफ्टर ऑल हम लोग सब इस दुनिया में आए हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी, बुरा टाइम भी आएगा, अच्छा टाइम भी आएगा, बट the strength that Guruji gives you to deal during your bura time, the strength and the way he carries you, and that is amazing. He doesn't let you lose hope. He doesn't let you fall. He doesn't let you doubt yourself. He doesn't let you doubt him as well. So that is what Guruji is. He is, I would say, Parampita, Paramatma. I would say he's my everything. That's all I can say. एक और सत्संग है संगत जी. थोड़े दिन पहले I had a dream कि मैं किसी सत्संग में गई हूँ, एंड जब मैं सत्संग में जाके बैठी, इट्स वेरी अननोन प्लेस, मैं सत्संग पे गई हूँ, मैं बैठी हूँ तो सामने मैं देखती हूँ तो सामने नॉर्मली आप देखते हो गुरुजी का सिंहासन होता है. सो वहां पे इट्स सोफा, एंड वहां पे देयर इज अ मैन एंड अ वुमन सिटिंग, एंड दैट मैन हैज अ persona. The way that man is sitting is exactly like Shivji. And उन दोनों के बीच में there's a snake. वो स्नेक का फेस कवर्ड है, बट आप पूंछ देख रहे हो, वो नजर आ रही है. In my dream, I'm pointing out to him that there is a snake in between you, and he tells me कि नहीं, he's under my control, don't worry. But जब मैं उठती हूँ मुझे यही लगता है कि गुरुजी ने मुझे शिव जी के दर्शन कराए हैं. So how this happened? It's like connecting to Guruji is also गुरुजी कहते हैं माँ शिव है. So गुरुजी ने कैसे मुझे if you go back during my college days also I was studying near Nagpur. So वहाँ पे एक शिव मंदिर था. So I used to go there. I used to get that Shivji ki murti. I was very well connected to that murti. Like how I would sit, I would go, I would talk to Shivji there, and कैसे वो प्रॉब्लम सुनते थे, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते थे. अभी तक it's been so many years, but still I have an image of that murti in my brain, or whenever I shut my eyes, I still feel that I've gone to that mandir. So I would say maybe when I was not even visiting Guruji, when I was not even meeting Guruji, Guruji was somehow connected to me all this while. All this while, all through my journey from my childhood till now, Guruji in some way or other was there with me, was there with my family. And now he is there with my kids. Both my kids are so well connected to Guruji. I would say कि मेरे बेटे का विश्वास तो गुरुजी पे इतना ज्यादा है, इतना ज्यादा क्या. I would say he's like if you ever say any problem also to him, he will say मम्मा गुरुजी है ना. जब गुरुजी है तो फिर आप क्यों सोचते हो, गुरुजी है ना मम्मा, हैंडल कर लेंगे ना, मंत्र जाप करो ना. So for any problem you talk to my son, the solution is only mantra jap. And I know Sangat ji, for us also any solution is only mantra jap. So this is little satsang of mine and my journey with Guruji. But beyond that also there are multiple times how Guruji has saved me. Because in Kuwait at times people, they drive their cars very fast. It's just, I would say, a fraction of a millimeter. मतलब मैं तो अपना आराम से गाड़ी चला रही होती हूँ, कैसे गुरुजी सेव करते हैं. I remember an incident. I was going over the मतलब मेरे आगे गाड़ियां चल रही थी, and not at a high speed, but the morning time traffic for the office. Suddenly one of the cars, it turns like everything going straight, it turned horizontal. मेरे आगे 2 cars थी. वो दोनों कार्स अपने एकदम से जाके उस गाड़ी में लगी हैं. मुझे नहीं पता कि उस टाइम क्या फोर्स आई है मेरे स्टीयरिंग पे कि उसने एकदम मेरी गाड़ी को लेफ्ट को टर्न किया है. एंड जय गुरुजी, विद गुरुजी's blessings, I would say I was the one who was saved, because मेरे पीछे जो गाड़ी थी वो भी जाके उस एक्सीडेंट में इन्वॉल्व हो गई थी. So this is how Guruji saved me from this accident, because it was quite a major accident जिसमें 3-4 गाड़ियां इन्वॉल्व हुई थी. And this is all blessings of Guruji, all blessings of Guruji. So Sangat ji, this is my journey with Guruji, and all I could say is that there's not a day, there is not a pal, there is not a time that I don't think of him. That मुझे तो पता भी नहीं चलता कि कब मैं चलते चलते, कब मैं अपनी गाड़ी चलाते हुए, कभी मैं खाना बनाते हुए मंत्र जाप कर रही होती हूँ, कभी मैं there are a million of times people in my car, when I'm driving my car, they might be thinking कि अच्छा ये फोन पे बात कर रही है, but no, I'm talking to Guruji while I'm driving my car also. So जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी, Anantam Anantam Shukrana Guruji for all your blessing, for I would say choosing us to be your Sangat, for showing us this path to be connected to you, for blessing us to be holding your satsang at our place, for immense blessings, saving us from so many things, so many blessings we see, and so many unknown things which we don't even know from who, from people, from I would say problems. You save us, Guruji. जय गुरुजी, शुक्राना गुरुजी, अनंतम अनंतम शुक्राना गुरुजी. जय गुरुजी.
जय गुरुजी. थैंक यू सो मच आंटी, आपने इतने सुंदर सत्संग हम सबके साथ शेयर किए. थैंक यू संगत जी. हम शुक्राना करते हैं गुरु जी का लाख लाख शुक्राना आज हुए सत्संग के लिए. सत्संग के दौरान सेवा करते हुए जो गलती हमसे होती है उसके लिए गुरु जी से माफी चाहते हैं. समाप्ति से पहले सरबत के भले की अरदास करते हुए गुरु जी के चरणों में अरदास है कि गुरु जी आप अपनी सारी जगत को ब्लेस करें, सबको देर रुकता बख्शें, सबके अंग संग सहाय रहे. इसी के साथ हम गुरु जी से आज्ञा लेंगे और